Many people believe that paying cash for a car is the smartest financial move. It feels good to avoid monthly payments and drive off the lot debt-free. But what if I told you that this common wisdom could actually be costing you thousands of dollars? Today, we're going to break down why paying cash for your next car might not be the best idea and what you should consider instead. Let's start by understanding why so many people still choose to pay cash and what they might be missing out on. Decades financial advice has encouraged buyers to pay cash for big purchases like cars. The logic is simple: avoid interest, skip the debt, and own your vehicle outright. It's a comforting thought, and many people save for years just to pay cash. But times have changed, and so have the financial products available. Let's look at what's different in today's market and why the old advice might not hold up anymore. When you pay cash for a car, you're tying up a large chunk of your savings in a depreciating asset. That money could be working for you elsewhere, earning interest or investment returns. Instead, it's locked up in your driveway, losing value every day. This is the hidden cost that most people overlook. Let's explore what happens to your money when you choose to pay cash versus financing. Cars lose value quickly. In fact, most new cars lose up to 20% of their value in the first year alone. When you pay cash, you absorb the full impact of this depreciation right away. That's money you'll never get back, and it's money that could have been earning returns elsewhere. Understanding depreciation is key to making smarter decisions with your cash. Opportunity cost is what you give up by choosing one option over another. When you pay cash for a car, you lose the chance to invest that money elsewhere, like in stocks, bonds, or even a high-yield savings account. Over time, the returns from those investments can far outweigh the interest you pay on a car loan. Let's see how this plays out with some real numbers. Imagine you have $30,000 to buy a car. If you pay cash, that money is gone from your bank account. But if you finance the car at a low interest rate and invest your $30,000 instead, you could earn returns that outpace the cost of the loan. Over 5 years, the difference can add up to thousands of dollars in your favor. This is the power of letting your money work for you. Today, many automakers and banks offer extremely low interest rates on car loans, sometimes even 0%. These deals are designed to attract buyers, and they can make financing a car much more attractive than paying cash. If you qualify for a low-rate loan, it often makes sense to take it and keep your cash invested. Let's look at how these loans work and who can benefit. Not everyone will qualify for the lowest interest rates. Lenders look at your credit score, income, and debt-to-income ratio. If you have strong credit, you're more likely to get the best deals. But even if your rate isn't the lowest, it's worth comparing the cost of financing to the potential returns on your investments. Sometimes, even a moderate loan rate can make sense. Investing your cash instead of spending it on a car allows you to benefit from compounding returns. Over time, your money grows faster as you earn returns on both your original investment and the gains it generates. This is one of the most powerful tools in personal finance, and it's a big reason why paying cash for a car can be a missed opportunity. Keeping your cash liquid, meaning easily accessible, gives you flexibility for emergencies or new opportunities. If all your money is tied up in a car, you can't use it if something unexpected happens. Financing your car keeps your cash available for other needs, which can be a huge advantage in uncertain times. When you finance a car, you're paying back your loan with future dollars, which may be worth less due to inflation. This means your real cost of borrowing can be lower than it seems. In an inflationary environment, holding onto your cash and paying off debt slowly can actually work in your favor. In some cases, especially for business owners, financing a car can offer tax advantages. Interest on car loans may be deductible if the vehicle is used for business purposes. Always check with a tax professional, but this is another reason why paying cash isn't always the best move. Some people pay cash for peace of mind, wanting to avoid debt at all costs. While being debt-free feels good, it's important to weigh that feeling against the financial benefits of financing. With the right loan and a solid investment plan, you can have both peace of mind and a stronger financial future. There are situations where paying cash is the right choice, like if you can't qualify for a good loan or if you simply prefer to avoid any debt. The key is to make an informed decision, not just follow old advice. Consider your overall financial picture before making a move. Dealers often prefer buyers who finance because they can earn extra commissions from lenders. This means you might get better deals or incentives if you choose to finance instead of paying cash. Don't be afraid to negotiate and ask what offers are available for financed purchases. A lot of people think financing is always more expensive or that it's risky. But with today's low rates and smart planning, financing can actually save you money. It's important to separate fact from fiction and make decisions based on current market conditions, not outdated beliefs. Choosing between paying cash and financing comes down to your personal situation. Look at your credit, your investment opportunities, and your comfort with debt. Run the numbers and see which option leaves you better off in the long run. Don't just go with your gut, make an informed choice. If you decide to finance, shop around for the best rates. Check with banks, credit unions, and the dealership. Read the fine print and watch out for hidden fees. The better your loan, the more you'll benefit from keeping your cash invested. Smart financing is all about doing your homework. If you're going to invest the money you save by financing, make sure you understand the basics. Diversify your investments, keep an eye on fees, and don't take unnecessary risks. The goal is to grow your wealth steadily, not gamble it away. A solid investment plan is key to making this strategy work. Every few years, review your financial plan. Markets change, interest rates move, and your personal situation evolves. Make sure your strategy still makes sense and don't be afraid to adjust if needed. Staying flexible is the best way to keep your finances on track. Paying cash for a car isn't always the best move. By understanding the true costs and benefits, you can make smarter choices with your money. Financing at a low rate and investing your cash can help you build wealth over time. The key is to look at the big picture and choose what's right for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, let your money work for you, not against you.